Time now to take a look at today's weather with Joel. There was glorious rain yesterday. What's going to happen today, Joel?
Shane, we are going to be seeing more rains across the eastern half of the country this Tuesday. In fact, we have some thundery downpours already going on over parts of the northwest and the Free State and extending down into the southeastern areas. And we are going to see this area of very active thunderstorms also extending eastwards into Gauteng and parts of the northwest. We also have quite a bit of cloud around Mpumalanga and Limpopo, giving us light rain and drizzle in some areas. Mostly fine at the moment for the Cape provinces, but just a bit of fog over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. Now, for the rest of this Tuesday, we are going to be seeing widespread thunderstorms where you see that shade of purple over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, the westernmost areas of the northwest, and over much of the Free State. The dark shade of blue represents where scattered thunderstorms are expected, but isolated thundershowers can be expected where you see the lighter shades of blue over the western interior, the southeastern areas, and across Gauteng, Limpopo, and parts of Mpumalanga. Now, we have a warning issued by the South African Weather Service for disruptive rainfall that could result in localized flooding of both informal and formal settlements, as well as major and minor roads over much of the Free State, the western parts of the northwest, and the eastern areas of the Northern Cape. So if you're in these parts of the country, you need to be careful around any flooded rivers. Now, we are starting off the day with chilly morning temperatures around Sutherland at 5 degrees this morning. It is also still rather cool for Cape Town and George, with minimums around 15. Warmer for much of the East Coast, minimums around 22 for Durban and Richards Bay. Johannesburg is also starting at around 15 degrees, and so is Kimberley, 19 for Abington and for Mahikeng. Now, this afternoon, it is going to be pretty warm for much of the interior. Temperatures in KwaZulu-Natal making it into the upper 20s and lower 30s. Similar temperatures for much of northeastern South Africa, but it will be nicely warm for Johannesburg and Polokwane, both warming to around 24 degrees. Hot as well for the Northern Cape, Appington peaking at 34. A pleasant 26 for Cape Town and 25 in Port Elizabeth. Now, on Wednesday, we are going to stay with pretty quiet weather for the western parts of the country, but thunder showers will persist over the eastern sections, light rain around Richards Bay, Durban and East London. Then on Thursday, we stay with unsettled weather for the eastern areas, and there will be a bit of rain for parts of the south and the east coast. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Back to you.